Welcome to this demonstration of Entegra Analytics AIM 2020 Integrated Public Safety and Security Suite. Whether your agency's domain is intelligence-led policing, counter-terrorism, drug trafficking, disaster management, or intelligence analysis, the challenges and threats that you face today have changed and you demand more. The ability to better manage information, to develop good situational awareness, to use readily accessible intelligence tools, and to integrate data from many different sources. Public safety solutions built on Entegra Analytics software put the right information in the right hands at the right time, enhance insights and analysis, reduce an agency's response time to crises and threats, and allow public safety agencies to do more for less to keep citizens and nations safe. In this demonstration, you'll see the principal components of Entegra Analytics AIM 2020 Integrated Public Safety and Security Suite in action. Citizen and officer smartphone apps. Advanced geospatial intelligence analysis. Intelligence analysis tools for natural language processing and link analysis. Video, chemical, and GPS sensor management. Social media analysis. Automated risk assessment. And call data record analysis. Now that's a lot. But a comprehensive public safety solution like AIM 2020 needs to have all of these components and needs to bring them together in an easy-to-use, logical, and manageable way. AIM 2020 does that through dashboards of active tiles that you configure to meet the specific requirements for awareness in your domain. Here's a dashboard that might be used for intelligence-led policing. Here's one that a disaster management agency might use. And here's an advanced dashboard that incorporates domain awareness across several different domains. Clicking on the Incident Management tile, for example, provides a view of all incidents an agency is currently managing. From where might information about such incidents come? Perhaps a citizen or an officer has used their AIM 2020 mobile phone app to report a crime. An analyst watching this dashboard would then receive an alert that an incident report has been entered. What if the incoming incident involves a van loaded with explosives? Our analysts may want the AIM 2020 software to connect with the United States National Counter-Terrorism Center database to compute a bomb evacuation plan. What if video cameras recognize a face or a license plate, identify suspicious behavior like prowling a parking lot, or notice a package left inside a crowded airport? They too can send information to an AIM 2020 dashboard where an analyst will note that a video alert has been received. If social media might supply additional information, a Twitter marker can be dropped anywhere on a map and real-time tweets in that area monitored. The incident might involve tracking a vessel, and here, AIM 2020 can connect to the United States Coast Guard's satellite-based vessel tracking system for real-time information about more than 50,000 vessels worldwide. If the incident involved the release of a hazardous chemical, an analyst might first consult nearby air quality sensors. Then, the software can compute a basic release plume that automatically accounts for the material released, the time of day, and the local weather. From that, a vulnerability assessment of critical infrastructure, such as transportation routes, schools, or hospitals, can help better coordinate all agencies responding to the threat. And should the investigation involve the analysis of metadata from cell phone records, the AIM 2020 Call Data Record Analysis tools can help an analyst answer basic questions such as who's in an individual's calling tree, how are two individuals linked through cell phone calls, and what calls took place from a given geographic location at a given time using a 3D map of call locations and cell towers. Now, a tremendous amount of information crosses an analyst's desk every day, and AIM 2020 software can help find the needles in these haystacks of data. Entity extraction tools capable of operating in many different languages can color code the people, locations, organizations, weapons, behaviors, and other important items of information found in a document. Link analysis tools, then, help to connect these dots. Taken as a whole, these AIM 2020 tools help analysts extract actionable intelligence from vast quantities of data, develop meaningful hypotheses about probable threats, and provide decision makers a sound basis for deriving conclusions and taking actions. As you've just seen, public safety solutions built on Entegra Analytics AIM 2020 Integrated Public Safety and Security Suite put the right information in the right hands at the right time, enhance insights and analysis, reduce an agency's response time to crises or threats, and allow public safety agencies to do more for less to keep citizens and nations safe. For more information about how AIM 2020 from Entegra Analytics can help your agency, contact Entegra Analytics or one of our partners today.